Canadian Citizenship Test 2024 Question and Answer. Question: Who out of the following is above the law in Canada? A. Judges. B. Police. C. Politicians. D. No one. The answer is D. No one. Question: Who is the head of the government in Canada? A. The Sovereign. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Premier. D. The Commissioner. The answer is B. The Prime Minister. Question: What is the symbol of Canadian government? A. The Parliament. B. The Crown. C. The national flag. D. The snowbirds. The answer is B. The Crown. Question: In what sorts of jobs do most Canadians work? A. Service. B. Lumbering. C. Farming. D. Natural resources. The answer is A. Service. Question: Where do most French-speaking Canadians live? A. Nova Scotia. B. Quebec. C. Ontario. D. New Brunswick. The answer is B. Quebec. Question: Which province is on the Pacific coast of Canada? A. Nova Scotia. B. Alberta. C. New Brunswick. D. British Columbia. The answer is D. British Columbia. Question: What is the name of the royal anthem of Canada? A. Great Canada. B. Canada. C. God Save the Queen or King. D. O Canada. The answer is C. God Save the Queen or King. Question: What are the Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers together called? A. The Government. B. The Cabinet. C. The House of Commons. D. The Senate. The answer is B. The Cabinet. Question: What are the two official languages of Canada? A. In English. B. Speak French and inactive. C. English and French. D. Mandarin and English. The answer is C. English and French. Question: Where do more than half of the people in Canada live? A. Coastal Pacific. B. Atlantic Canada. C. Prairies. D. Central Canada. The answer is D. Central Canada. Question: Which province has the most bilingual Canadians? A. British Columbia. B. Quebec. C. Ontario. D. Prince Edward Island. The answer is B. Quebec. Question: What is celebrated on the 26th of December? A. Remembrance Day. B. Victoria Day. C. Boxing Day. D. Canada Day. The answer is C. Boxing Day. Question. What is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal. B. Elizabeth Cross. C. Victoria Medals. D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question. What are the provinces of Central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec. B. Ontario and Alberta. C. Quebec and New Brunswick. D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. The answer is A. Ontario and Quebec. Question. What forms a jury? A. Politicians. B. Immigrants. C. Judges. D. A jury is made up of citizens. The answer is D. A jury is made up of citizens. Question. Where do the majority Métis live in Canada? A. Central Canada. B. The North. C. Prairie Provinces. D. The Maritimes. The answer is C. Prairie Provinces. Question. What are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties. B. Opposition parties. C. Rival parties. D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. Opposition parties. Question. What is Canada's national winter sports? A. Lacrosse. B. Basketball. C. Hockey. D. Golf. The answer is C. Hockey. Question. If the government loses a confidence vote in assembly, they A. Call for by-elections. B. Can continue. C. Do nothing. D. Must resign. The answer is D. Must resign. Question. In what year did Canada become a country? A. 1867. B. 1687. C. 1786. D. 1678. The answer is A. 1867. Question. Where have most immigrants come from since the 1970s? A. Asia. B. England. C. France. D. USA. The answer is A. Asia. Question. Municipal government is responsible for which of the following? A. Natural resources. B. Currency. C. Garbage removal. D. Highways. The answer is C. Garbage removal. Question. Which province has the most valuable forest industry in Canada? A. Ontario. B. Alberta. C. Quebec. D. British Columbia. The answer is D. British Columbia. Question. What is the head of the city called? A. Mayor. B. Councillor. C. Alderman. D. Premier. The answer is A. Mayor. Question. Which province is the only official bilingual province? A. Ontario, B. Quebec, C. Nova Scotia, D. New Brunswick. The answer is D. New Brunswick. Question. Who proclaimed the amended Constitution of Canada in 1982? A. The Senate, B. Queen Elizabeth II, C. The people of Canada, D. The Prime Minister. The answer is B. Queen Elizabeth II. Question. When is Canada Day? A. November 5th every year, B. July 1st every year, C. June 30th every year, D. July 31st every year. The answer is B. July 1st every year. Question. Where is Canada located? A. Central America, B. Europe, C. North America, D. South America. The answer is C. North America. Question. What was the name of the new country formed in Confederation? A. Britain, B. Canada, C. Canadian Confederation, D. Dominion of Canada. The answer is D. Dominion of Canada. Question. Which region covers more than one-third of Canada? A. Northern Territories, B. South Region, C. North Region, D. Southern Territories. The answer is A. Northern Territories. Question. When is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st, B. October 6th, C. November 11th, D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question. Which province is one of the most productive agricultural regions in the world? A. Manitoba, B. Saskatchewan, D. British Columbia, D. Alberta. The answer is B. Saskatchewan. Question. How are members of parliament chosen? A. Elected by senators, B. Elected by the Prime Minister, C. Chosen by the King, D. Elected by Canadian citizens. The answer is D. Elected by Canadian citizens. Question. Where are the parliament buildings located? A. Toronto, B. Kingston, C. London, D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question. What level of government passes by laws? A. Provincial, B. Municipal or local government, C. Federal, D. Senators. The answer is B. Municipal or local government. Question. Which provinces is Canada's main producer of pulp and paper? A. Quebec, B. British Columbia, C. Saskatchewan, D. Ontario. The answer is A. Quebec. Question: how is a cabinet minister chosen? A. By the Prime Minister. B. By the King. C. By the voters. D. By the senators. The answer is A. By the Prime Minister.